Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is chapter 9, Natural Resources. So in this lesson we will learn about the renewable and non-renewable resources, the different natural resources, that is soil, water, forest, animals, minerals and fuels. Do you know what is natural resources? Yes, the term resources means things that satisfy our needs. Dear children, when you hear the word natural, what comes to your mind? Is it something related to nature? Yes, when I say, when I talk about this natural resources, we think of things that is gifted to us by nature, that is water, animals, sunlight, forest, animals, air, minerals. Minerals means natural substance found in the earth's surface. Yes, do you know why we need all these resources? Yes, we need all these resources to stay alive. So there are two types of natural resources. One is renewable resources, another one is non-renewable resources. Now let us see what is renewable resources. Renewable resources are called inexhaustible resources. That is resources that are available in unlimited quantities on the earth. For example, sunlight, water and air. In other words, we can say that they can be replaced or grown back. Another resources is non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are exhaustible exhaustible resources, that is resources available in limited quantities and can be completely used up by human activities like coal, petroleum, and they cannot be replaced. So, among renewable resources, air is an important resources as life is not possible on the earth without air. So, all living things need air, right, to live. So, next one, another renewable resources is water. Water is renewable natural resources which is essential for life. Like humans, animals and plants, all these need water to live. We need water to drink, to bathe, wash and irrigation fields and for many other purposes. Water is precious resources. We should not waste it. Next is plants. This is also one of the renewable resources. Like forest is a large area of land where there is a thick growth of trees and other plants. In in a forest, plants grown on their own. Like the kinds of plants that grow in a forest depends on the climate and soil of that places. Like forests are useful to us in many ways. They provide us wood, medicine, paper, and oxygen. So we should not destroy forests. To save forests, trees should not be cut in a should be cut in a planned way. Another renewable resource is soil. Soil is a loose uppermost layer on the earth surface. So plants grow in soil. They get water and mineral salts from the soil. Since plants make food for all living things, all living things depends on soil for the food. Like many animals live in the soil, like insects such as earthworms, ant and bigger animal such as mice and rabbits live in the soil. So it is one of the most important renewable resources. So human beings also depend on soil for many things. We grow different kinds of cereals, vegetables and fruits in the soil. So we use soil to make buildings materials such as bricks and cement also. So we use clay obtains from the soil to make pots and utensils. So soil is also one of the important renewable natural resources. Now let us see more about this non-renewable resources. As I told in the beginning, non-renewable resources that just cannot be replaced. So in non-renewable resources, let's see what metals. So metals are found deep inside the earth. They are used for making household utensils, tools and ornaments. Another non-renewable resource is coal. So it is used as a fuel to cook, eat and generate electricity. It is also used to run steam engines in factories also. This next is petroleum. It is also called black gold. It is used to make petrol, kerosene and diesels, which are used as fuel in vehicles like public transport, factories and industries. So children, we should conserve these natural resources. We should not waste the natural resources, mainly the non-renewable resources. Nowadays you can see human beings are using more vehicles to move from one place to another. So instead of using cars, you can use a bicycles to move from one place to another. So water is also one of the important resources. So you should not waste water. So to save these minerals, we should depend more on sources of energy that will never get used up, like solar energy and wind energy. So I hope all have understood the chapter. Read the chapter properly and write the exercise questions. So in exercise questions, the first main is fill in the blanks. First one, plants get dash and dash from the soil, is mineral salts and water from the soil. Second one, sunlight is a dash natural resources. It is renewable. Third one, coal, petrol and diesels are known as non-renewable resources. Fourth one, metals are hard and shiny substance obtained from minerals. Fifth one, petrol and diesels are obtained from the mineral. It is petroleum. Second main, you should write true or false. For the true sentence, you should write true T, and for the false sentence, you should write F. These two main you will write only in your content book. Answer the following you will write in new page in your neat notes. So first main question and answer. First one, what are natural resources? Name 4 natural resources. Answer, the valuable things in nature that are necessary for us to live on earth. Some of these are air, water, soil, forest, animals and minerals. They are known as natural resources. You will write the question in black pen. In blue pen you will write the answer. So second one, what is the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources? Renewable resources, resources that are available in unlimited quantity and cannot be completely used up by human activities. For example, sunlight, water and air. So this is renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, resources that are available in limited quantity and can be completely used by human activities. For example, coal and petroleum. Third one, list 4 uses of soil. We grow different kinds of cereals, vegetables and fruits in the soil. We use soil to make building materials such as bricks and cement. We use soil to make pots and utensils. Fourth one, name 4 products that we get from forest. Forests provide us with wood, medicine, paper, and oxygen. Fifth one, name two metals and two other substances that we get from minerals. We get metals such as iron, copper, aluminium, gold from minerals. We also get other substances such as diamond and mica. So write the question in black pen and answer in blue pen. After each answer, draw a line. Write neatly. Thank you.